Hey everybody, it's Steve. Today we're going to be talking about residential fire sprinklers and how to test them on an annual basis. Fortunately, this test is easy and it's something that even I and you can do. Step 1. Locate the test port. Step 2. Attach a garden hose if desired. Step 3. Turn on the water flow. Step 4. Confirm the outside alarm is sounding. Step 5. Confirm the inside alarms are sounding. Step 6. Check the pressure gauge. Reading should be between 70 and 150. Alright, let's turn off our water. Put that up here. Step 8. Store the key. Step 9. Note your pressure for next year. Alright, until next time, stay safe, and this has been Steve for things even I, and of course you, can do.